But pursuing unity is not just something we pray and hope for. It's a call to action.
When I think about pursuing unity, I think about listening. And then once I've understood where someone's coming from, taking the time to dialogue with them and not making quick judgments about what their perspective is. A lot of pursuing unity to me is walking alongside people who come from different walks of life and different perspectives and learning together from each other.
I believe in the mission of Pursue Scholars. I really love the fact that they're investing in youth for the purpose of seeing a unified front across our city.
I think you've all raised over $130,000. Right? And that a significant amount of those funds are going to scholarships and to scholar support to help our emerging urban leaders persist in college and beyond.
Doing this event has taught me to step outside of my comfort zone and that it is possible with just a few steps forward. Change can be made and pursuing unity is also possible.